I convey my best regards to all of you, especially who are present here today, and let us congratulate Japan as a country and Wakam University for their dignity and for their gracious presence here. We are delighted. It is your superb humanity, because Japan is always, they are the human lover. And you always work for unity, integrity, peace, motivation, education, and the cultural field. Thank you so much for coming over here and gave us this prestigious prestige. Certainly, on behalf of Bengal people, I will dedicate to my Mama Timanush and my students for their preservation for the future. Because Japan always, please take your seat. Really, I am delighted to see this wonderful program. And especially, thank you, Mr. Satyam Rai Chaudhuri and other private university which are also there. My students are also there, teachers, sir. My warmest greetings to all of you. I am happy that there is a strong collaboration between the Sister Nivedita University and the Wakama University. This is top global university and one of the Japan's best national universities. Established 1870, means very old and very gold. I am happy to see that two important institutions from Bengal and Wakama University from Japan, they are working together. And they have an educational patch-up and the collaboration. It will not only boost up our students' fraternity, it will boost up our teachers' fraternity and also our relation between Bengal and Japan and our country, India and Japan. Yes, we are happy that BGBS, you were present there. And since 7 years, Japan is our partner for the Bengal Business Summit. And that time, you are so nice and it is kind of you that you invited us to go to visit Japan. And also, you have written me a letter. In the month of May, you came here only February, attended our BGBS conference as a partner country, and also you send us invitation letter to go to your university, so to visit and have that honor. It is in the month of May, and next day I reciprocate along with this prestigious respect for Bengal. And also, after that, I gave a reply that this year may not be possible, but I will go, we will decide this as per our mutual date and month. But you people are so motivated and you are so energetic that you told Satyam to arrange a program in the month of November year itself. And there you said, I have received a letter that if you don't visit us this year, then we will be coming to Bengal and we will offer you there. You tell me, my friend, philosopher and guide, and my lovable students all, can I deny their love, their affection. And can I tell them that don't come to my state? Is it proper or fair? At least we have to respect the courtesy, the diplomacy. An education field and cultural field is something different. It cannot match with politics. It is a different field where the human being, the human touches. It touches the heart of the human body. Touches our heart, our brain. We know that Bengal and Japan, our relation is very old. Even cultural program you have seen that how our people and Japanese culture mix up together. And it was really excellent how we gave us to remember those days when Rabindranath Tagore visited Japan. And always the Okakura Kakuzo, Rabindranath Tagore and the art of historian, everybody remember. Even Swami Vivekananda, he visited Japan before independence. It was very old times. 1893. Even after that, Rashbihari Bose, he also visited Japan before independence. And Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Sometimes we may forget, but history will not excuse us if we forget all this. When Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose set up this Indian National Army, the Japan government, Japan people gave him full honor and full respect. Though there is a confusion between his death, now also everybody knows about his birthday. But we don't know about his death. But he is a man. He had set up this planning commission. This Indian National Army. So many things. Even Jai Hind was his slogan. And Vishwakavi Rabindranath Tagore, Shanti Niketan, you have the unit. And you were collaborating with Shanti Niketan also from the beginning. Even ecotourism park also you have some shops also. I have seen it in my own eyes. It is excellent. Rabindranath Tagore, the house. Even so many companies are working here. And they are investing huge money. Mitsubishi, Tata, Hitachi. They are doing so many work, even JICA. But instead of that, even Japan's Nippon Telegraph and Telephone Data has invested rupees 2,000 crore in Silicon Valley. Even Webel, it is Bengal IT department, Webel in association with Fujisoft has set up a state-of-art center of excellence on machine learning, 3D printing and designing, cyber security, etc. So our relation is not only, it started from today, it started since hundreds of years. As we continue to work together to take our beloved state to greater heights. And today's development, of course, it will be remembered forever. I wish all of you, your friends, your family members, your countrymen, Japan is a beautiful country. And your health is very good always. How you maintain your health, it's a matter of lesson, it's a matter of learning. And beautiful rivers, beautiful forest, beautiful water bodies, what not? Beautiful hills. You have everything with you. But some sad story is also there because of World War. Nagasaki, Hiroshima. That is also there. But you rebuild Japan like anything. And it is really our students also, they love to go to Japan and to study. They go for research. They go for their future in Japan. It is a symbol of a shared commitment partnership. May I quote Rabindranath Tagore, what Bengal always believed, now also, and it will be forever, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. And that's why there is no boundary limitation. Maybe you are different country, we are different country, but our heart is same, our blood is same, and we love each other because this is the humanity and this is the spirit of India and spirit of Bengal also. Domo arigato gozaimasu. Domo arigato gozaimasu. That means thank you very much. Thanks a lot for coming over here. You have taken too much travel to come over here. But we love all of you. And certainly when you personally, all the university professors, dignified people, you came here. So if you have the heart, we have the heart also. I can assure you next year I must visit your university to convey, to reciprocate our love and our heartful thanks to your university. And there will be a scope to visit Japan also. There are so many sweet, sweet things. You are very sweet and cute. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much for coming over here. I know some people may not like it, but please forget that I am a chief minister. But I continue my life as a commoner. I love to continue my life not as a VIP but as a LIP, means less important persons. That is our life and that will continue up to my last breath. And always I feel proud that I born and brought up in Bengal. I salute this land. I salute the people of Bengal. I salute the teachers, professors, bassists, chancellors, educationists, doctors, farmers, workers, my beloved students, and all. May God bless all of you. Thank you so much. Jai Bangla.